Today we are exploring lynda.com with your host, Jean Hutchins. Welcome to the Virginia Beach Public Library's webpage. The page is divided into 3 columns. On the leftmost side, you'll see libraries, and under libraries, you'll see digital library. If you hover over digital library or click on the 3 dots immediate to the right of digital library, you'll have a drop-down menu box. I want you to click on Learn, which is the 4th one down, and that will take us to the Learning page. Okay, I'm going to scroll up a bit. Learn appears right in the middle, in that middle column, and you'll see 3 columns here: online courses, automotive, and language learning. But for our purposes today, we're going to click on online courses and click on lynda.com. The thing about lynda.com is that you must come in through the library's webpage in order to access it for free. If for some reason they're asking you for payment, shut it down, back out, come back to vbgov.com/libraries and digital library and click on Learn and go to lynda.com. So I'm clicking on that. And here's the login. So here we are at lynda.com, and this is where we enter a library card. I'm going to enter this card number and this PIN. All right, now we've successfully logged into lynda.com. So now what we want to do is click on this little menu over here. These 3 lines represent a menu. We can go to My Profile. We click on that, click on Edit, and it allows you to personalize your profile so that when you open up Lynda next time, it will say hi, insert your name there instead of hilynda.com. Okay, and it's just asking for some very basic information. You don't have to fill in everything, just what you want, okay? And then you would save it. And then we'd move over to the right and click on My Interests. And over here, it's going to ask us, what would you like to learn? And you can update these preferences at any time, all right? So I'm going to put a couple of things, and we'll choose education, e-learning, especially in these times now. How about computer skills? I'm going to take off cloud computing. I'm going to put in Windows and Mac. And let's put in some business skills as well. Okay, I'm going to take photography out. And okay, so from there, we'll just say Save Changes. I scroll all the way down. And now, of course, you can see across what's highlighted is recommended. So these are the courses that lynda.com has recommended for me since I chose the courses that I would like, that I'm interested in. So as you can also see, you can just click over or hover over a class, a course. You can see how long it is. You can see who the instructor is, the level. This is beginner. And you can see the duration. In this case, it's a little under an hour. If you think, no, I don't really like that, I don't want that, you can say not. You can click on not interested, or you can add it. Click on the plus here to add to your playlist. Now, I could add it to my playlist, which is the default. My playlist is what everyone has. Or you can actually, let's go to another one. Let's go to another course. Let's see. Business Fundamentals for Customer Success Managers. Let's just hover over this one, see what it is. Okay. And this is also for beginners. And it's 1 hour and 9 minutes long. So let's add this. And let's add it to a new playlist. And we'll title this Business. And we'll put Customer Service. How about that? You can put in a description here if you like. But I'm just going to say Save. Click on Save. So I created another playlist. So if I go back to the top and I click on Playlists, you should see that I have 2. I have my playlist and I have Business Customer Service. My playlist again is the default, and I have Business Customer Service as the one I just created. Another feature I'd like to share with you about lynda.com is that you can search for something. Instead of using the library, you can just click on lynda.com, and then up here where this little magnifying glass is, it looks like a search. So we can just type in what we want to look for, what we want to do. So let's say I want to learn something about PowerPoint. So I'm going to put in PowerPoint 2013, and there comes up a few courses. Let's take a look at this essential training. Now maybe I don't want to take the whole course. I know a little bit about PowerPoint. So if I wanted to take the whole course, I would just add it to my playlist with this plus sign, or I would start viewing it. But instead, I just want to review one or two things. So what I'm going to do is come down to about here and see search this course. So here it says show more, and I'm going to go down until I see what I wanted to review. And maybe I wanted to know how to add shapes and diagrams. Let's say that's what I wanted. So here's what I would like to start with this. Or maybe let's try adding video. So let's click on that. And this is what I want to add to my playlist. So I would click on the first one. And then let's scroll back up and see how it says adding and formatting video from your computer and from YouTube. Now this is what I want to add to my playlist. So I'm going to click that. And then it says asking me which playlist I want to add it to. I'm just going to add it to my regular playlist. And I just want the video only. So I'm clicking on the video. So I just get this portion of that course. So now I'm going to go look at my playlist and make sure it's there. Clicking on my playlist. And I put it on this playlist right here. So, and there it is. Adding and formatting video from your computer and from YouTube. Perfect. Now there may come a time when I want to change it. I've already viewed it several times. I'm comfortable. I know how to do this with ease. So I might want to change that. So up here, I can edit my playlist. And then now I have a little trash can over here, and I can say delete this video, basically. I think it wants me to click on it twice, and then it should be gone. And now it's off my list. All right. Now there's one other thing I want you to know about, and there's a course actually that gives you more information about how to use lynda.com. I should just put, oh, there it is, how to use lynda.com. And it will give you a little more detailed information about how to use lynda.com and upgrading from lynda.com to LinkedIn Learning. They're combining. They've already combined, so you can use this one as well. Now, should you run into any problems, at the very bottom of your screen, if you keep on scrolling down, you'll find that they have support where you can contact them. If you're having any problems with playing back a course or video, here's quick links to get back to your profile, your history, your playlists. And if you become an expert at one of these things, you can become an instructor. And here's a link for that as well. So good luck and enjoy lynda.com.